Skyrocket your Etsy sales with this 30-second tip. Once everyone starts doing this, it's going to become pretty redundant, but this is a very common tactic that you see on Amazon all the time, but now Etsy is also doing it as well. So that means that you can also capitalize on this as well. What exactly is that? What do you see that a lot of the listings on this Etsy search page has in common? Can you see it? Because I can see it. What it actually is on a significant amount of these listings, you're seeing that there's something called an urgency badge. And the reason why this urgency badge is showing up on some people's listings and not other people's listings is because what sellers are doing right now is they're starting and ending a sale on the same day. So they're essentially going into their sales and marketing tab, setting up a sale inside their Etsy account, and then setting the end date to end either that day or the next day. And so by default, what this does, Etsy grants you this urgency badge where it says, this sale is ending in XYZ amount of time. So why does this give you such a boost in your sales? Well, the perception of urgency in the eyes of a customer is pretty much like, well, if I'm gonna buy this anyway, I might as well buy it now than buy it tomorrow if I can't get the discount. So I might as well buy it now. It's creating that urgency to buy now versus tomorrow or the next day, or maybe not at all. This is a really easy hack that you can literally set up on your listings today, and you can schedule out your sales to end for an infinite amount of days. So you can set up a sale to end today, tomorrow, the next day, until however far out you want to put the sale. And you can even make that sale discount as low as 5% if you want to. Something is better than nothing. It's just creating that perception of urgency. I've done this with all of my brands and it almost instantly increases my sales. If you can create a perception of urgency versus your competitors that maybe they're running a sale, but they don't have an urgency badge, or maybe they're not running a sale at all, you're definitely going to stand out in comparison to your competition. Or if all of your competition is doing this already, which could be the case, you might want to consider doing this as well. Again, even if it's a small discount, something is better than nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Hannah Gardner. I teach people how to build brands on Shopify and Etsy. If that is what you're into, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have more videos like this coming out regularly, and your support means the world to me by either subscribing or just commenting down below if you got any value out of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.